Happy Thursday, guys. It's almost Friday. Just wanted to show you some things I've been working on. I just did a new setup for the camera. We'll see what's gonna happen. It's a new phone as well. My previous phone got broken, so hopefully this is a better camera now. Just wanted to show you what I came up with in terms of lipstick guard and makeup guard. This is for my couture mask and any other mask. You can use it with any other mask, regular mask as well. The makeup protectors. Let's see what we have. This is my bridal face mask. You've probably seen it on my website. And this mask, because it's obviously white, and it's better to protect it from the makeup. When a bride has makeup on, obviously it's gonna get all messy. So I come up with a sticky tape protector. You can just remove it if it's full of makeup and just wash it by hand. This is a very complicated version, right? There is a sticky tape in 4 places, top, bottom, left, right, and this is the inside of the mask. See there is a sticky tape in 4 places here as well. It is a little bit complicated version. Let me know what you think, but it's definitely well protected and some lace trim. It's much easier to wash this than the whole mask. This is one version. This is for the very expensive couture mask. The other one is 1 use or 2 uses. Is a simple lipstick protector that is made from this waterproof fabric. It's a fabric that is very breathable. It's the same fabric as filter is made of, and it's water repellent, so it doesn't pass any water. And a lipstick will not smudge in this one because it's because of the quality, plastic kind of quality of the material. Lipstick will not stain that much. And once again, it's a sticky tapes. You can just put it inside of your mask and it will stick. Well, I already used it a couple times, so it doesn't stick as well, but the first time it will stick very, very well. So this is another one. This is how it looks in pink. So you can see there's a sticky tape protector. You will have to remove it in order to place it inside the mask. Let me show you how it can be done. Sorry, there is a sun, maybe it's hard to see. So there is a paper sticky. There is a paper on that sticky. You remove that. So you got the sticky part out. You fit it inside your mask. Okay. And then stick it. Fit it well. And the other side, stick it. And here you have it. It sticks to your masks. Can you see it? I know the sound is really like messing it up. So you got the sticky, and then you can put that mask on your face, right? And after you're done and it's all messed up with your lipstick, you can just quickly remove it and throw it away. So I will sell those in packs. It's 1 use or maximum 2 use, I guess. Well, depends how it's still sticky. It can be used again. Obviously, it's not going to be as sticky as the first time. But I will sell those in addition to my couture masks. Maybe pack of like several, maybe 2, 3, 5 maybe. And I can also sell them separately if you tell me it's something you would be interested in. Okay, let me know. Almost Friday. Bye-bye.